Lawn Mower Sharpening at the Alameda Repair Shop, 2436 Webb Avenue, Alameda, California. Call 510-522-0131.
Wound hormones are produced every time the grass is cut. The production of compounds involved in healing mowing wounds occurs at the expense of food reserves. If you are cutting grass with a dull mower, you are creating severe wounds that require more wound-healing compounds and therefore more stored food reserves. So keep the blade sharp. Slightly higher grass in the summer will reduce stress levels on turf and at the same time increase the likelihood of surviving drought. So keep a sharp blade. Select higher mowing heights and let growth determine mowing frequency.